looking for?
Just leave me alone. I just made a big mistake. I don't want this car.
What the hell is your problem in these last couple days?
I can't deal with anything anymore. I don't feel good. I have a big car payment now. I wish to God I never did this.
Hi, buddy.
You just relax.
No, I can't relax when you don't have no fucking money to relax with.
What? What?
I had a fucking heart attack. That would probably be the best thing in the world.
What else you will say?
Let me see.